Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the
RyRy&Nikki Show! Okay, so you guys are gonna see a 4D ultrasound live. So 4D means it's like live. It's still 3D, but it's 4D makes it live. But yeah.
Yes, yep.
That's all we got. Where can we get it?
We are the
Popcorn.
Masks.
She's got hair, guys. She's got some thickness.
She got some hair.
You just wiped that stuff all right here. That is all hair hanging out the back of the head there.
Oh my gosh.
Hers not gonna be bald, guys. Hers not gonna be bald. See how she brought it down just a little bit? But look at those lips, you guys. And cheeks, too. She's got some cheekage going on in there. Yes, you did. Mama said feeding you right, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, hers got it.
She's got some fingernails. You need to paint the nails already.
Looks like she's got some full lips too. Oh yeah, look at those lips. Oh, she's got.
He's here.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. What a gorgeous baby.
Sí, parece Nicole, esta Nicole. Claro que sí. Otra coña. Vamos a como tomar.
Little hand all over your face. Come
Are you a thumb sucker like you, Ryan?
I hope not.
See you back there. With those lips.
Hmm.
Look at those lips. Look at the face she made. Little fun
Me
face.
nuggin.
Little fun faces.
Stink face.
Where did she get that from?
Yeah, I wanted to.
There it is. Look at that. This is what I think about this cake.
Really, Nicole?
She's perfect.
Really? Oh my gosh.
Who is messing with me?
That is definitely her face.
I know.
Oh my goodness. See her little elbow right there? Yeah, she's got a little face all cuddled in.
How you feel, Brian?
Huh?
How you feel?
Like a dad?
Oh, you got hair.
She's a character. She's back there making all kinds of faces. This lady just pushed my arm.
She gets her attitude straight from you.
Push my arm.
Oh my god, look at the cheeks.
Look at the shape
Now,
of
now
her
look
lips.
at them
Yeah.
cheeks.
Oh my gosh.
The shape of her lips are absolutely perfect, sweetie. Look at that.
Mm.
Her little cupid's eye is just perfect. Look at that.
Wow. That's so crazy I can zoom in like that.
Yeah, she's beautiful, guys. Yeah, when she stuck her tongue out. She did this way, give you pictures, lady. Push my arm again. Keep on, lady. Keep on. Look at that little tongue out.
Oh my god.
Out of what we've been the past few days. Yeah, she's cooperating big time. Look at her! Little ham. There's where she's got her mouth open.
baby girl.
And
She is huge.
and majority of everybody said she looks like me.
That is what, but there's no way though. Anyways,
I'm definitely have my twin in here.